seeing if anyone can hear us.
I think they can. Hello.
Yeah. See, the lag is almost non-existent through the browser.
Well, we don't know that.
So, but yeah, I mean, maybe on your phone it's not too bad. But hello, everyone.
Hey, Facebook.
Hey, Facebook. Welcome again to United Language Center in beautiful Singapore,
Okay.
right, at City Hall.
City Hall.
Yeah, good. Oh, we have somebody watching.
I think I'm watching.
Matthew Fast has joined us. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining.
You're welcome. I'm just trying
Yeah.
to.
Oh, you just want to mute it so we don't get the echo.
I'm just trying to be on here in
Okay.
case
Oh,
anyone asks
It popped up to 3.
a question.
Popped up to 3. Look at that. So
So Mark and I are here
Yes.
today to talk about maths.
yes, maths.
Or
So,
math.
right? Or maths.
Hello.
That's like British people, Hello.
Unjung.
Oh,
Anjung.
can you
Anjung.
you can read Korean?
I can kind of read Korean.
Oh, he can read. I'd love to learn Hangul, but
Oh, it's super
Yeah.
easy.
yeah, I heard it's just what vowels and consonant sounds,
Hangul is like math.
like math. Oh, good.
Or maths.
Good transition. So
Because you just take two characters.
2 characters, boom, combine them
Together.
together. Like for this one, let's see what characters we got here. We
Mark's
got
gonna try.
we got this one. We got this one.
No, that's,
No, it's wrong.
this is one
Oh, this is one. Oh,
plus this.
okay. I was completely wrong. So you have. So you do this plus this equals this. Okay.
If that's correct. Hey, Churro. What's up, buddy?
Plus. Okay. This plus this equals. Yeah. We do. Whoop. Equals this.
Nice.
Right.
Oh.
So that's our Korean math.
It's kind of a good teamwork here. We got left and right.
Yeah. Right. Don't mess up. So again, we just do the same words if we're adding sounds in Korean, or if we're adding actual numbers, we do the plus and the equals,
Yes.
right? Plus and equals.
Plus and equals. Thank you.
Yeah.
It was perfect.
Oh,
Yeah.
perfect. Good. So we made the first sound of her name, right? Or his name? I have to learn Korean.
Anjung.
Anjung.
I don't see a picture. So this is one of our students. I think this
One
is
of our
your
students.
student.
Oh, my student. Sorry, without. Yeah. So yeah, probably my student. So
You probably have an
Yeah.
English name. Just give it a
yeah,
type.
if you want to type in, like, just be like hello, because your profile doesn't have a picture, so we're like, oh, who is it? So mystery. That's okay.
You're a mystery person.
Yeah, but it's good. You helped us to explain plus and equals, 2 math words that we often will use,
Yes.
right? If we do want to do a couple other ones, we can do the opposite.
Okay, I know this is an English
Yeah.
site.
English
page.
video.
But Mark, the reason we're talking about math today is because your student was asking you.
So we were talking about cost of living. What a fun topic. Cost of living is the amount you spend to live in a certain city, right? Like in Singapore, the cost of living would be how much money you spend on rent and on food. Oh, it's Jun. Oh, we were completely Anjun.
Anjun.
So good.
So it
Anjun.
wasn't perfect.
Anjun, yeah. Sorry, Jun. I obviously can't read your name, so I had to actually have you type it in English before we knew. But yeah, so welcome, Jun. We're doing a math lesson for some of you guys. Yeah. So
Yeah, we
so
know,
Jun.
we know.
Yeah. Now we know you, Jun. Yeah.
The handsome guy.
Yeah, the handsome Korean who comes almost every day, right?
Anjun. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe is Matt close? Yeah.
Pretty close.
He's pretty close. Yeah.
Anjun.
Yeah, so I don't know, June. I don't know if you use math much. You might. He's studying to do an exam for working for the government.
Singapore government?
Not Singapore government, Korean government.
Korean government.
So you probably have to do math. I think that's other countries. They have to do math. America, I was so lucky. I hardly had to do math.
Well, I think American school system.
Yes,
Canadian
America,
school system.
Canadian
same.
schools, right?
math is not so important.
Yeah, it should be emphasized. It should be important, but for some reason we don't care as much about math. But
June is the one who told us to do live on YouTube or make YouTube videos. not
yes,
Facebook
yeah,
videos.
but goody, but you're still here, which is
Still
amazing.
watching.
Yeah, and we should make this on YouTube as well. But I think, yeah, it's okay. My head's not here. For the math, I'm going to just start putting some math characters.
Throw it up there.
Yeah, oh yeah, we can multitask because I'm left-handed and you're
It's a perfect.
or right-handed, right? So, boom.
I can't write right now. Okay, you can't really read that, but it's
Yeah.
fine.
Let's do 5 and then,
So the difference, math and maths. Okay.
let me see. That's a very bad squared, but,
Oh well, Mark, you're just running all over my maths.
oh, whoops.
Maths.
See, look, I divided it. It's fine.
Part of the board.
Yeah, I think it's big enough.
Divided it.
I divided the board. I'm dividing the board in half. Yeah. Good.
Anyway, math is American English. Maths is British English.
Yes.
It's weird. I can't say maths. I can't do it. I've tried. A lot of my
You tried?
a lot of my American English, Canadian English has
Mm.
transitioned to British English, but
Yeah.
this is one. This is one I can't do.
No, my students know that even when the book uses British English, I always in my head I'm trying to correct it, but it is valid. It's okay. You could use the British one, but
So you chose the square root of 100.
I'm really bad at math. What's the square roots of? Is it 10, right? No. Oh shoot. 10 times 10. 10. Yeah, 10. Right? It's 10. Is it 10? Yeah. I'm really bad at math. Like I haven't done math in a decade.
I'm good at adding and subtracting.
Adding and subtracting. So if we just do our really simple one. Oh, he's getting new knowledge. Good.
You're
Okay.
about to see
How bad Mark
the
is at math.
worst English video ever.
Yes.
That's what you're about to.
Plus, minus. I say times, right? You do times?
Yeah, I mean, yes.
Yeah,
yes.
times. And any viewers, if I spell anything wrong, just let me know.
Multiplication. Division.
Okay. Let's see. My handwriting. Okay, almost readable. Good. Division. Then these ones I don't know. Yeah. Division.
Anyway,
Is it division? Yeah, it's also So
division. Yes.
good. Oh, yeah, we can read. We can read it. Okay, I think so.
Can.
Can get
June,
out your
I'm
glasses.
June. You are the only one watching,
Mm.
so you have full
Anjun, you can.
control
You-
over
you
the
can
direction
choose.
of this live video.
Yeah, if you have anything you'd like to learn about how we
English.
describe in math, or
Or any English.
we can also do. I guess so. These are the words we often use with math. I think another thing my students often get confused about is in the book they always are talking about miles,
Mhm.
right? And of course, in your country, you don't use miles, so I think that can also be very tricky.
Miles versus kilometers.
Yeah, versus kilometers or kilometers, kilometers, right? So
Well, now we're getting into the whole
the metric system. Yeah, maybe we should stick to just math.
I
We
mean-
could just stick to math.
Come on, you guys, you gotta
Yeah.
do the metric system. The whole world.
Got to do the metric
Can you
system.
get off the miles?
In Canada, do you do miles or
No.
kilometers?
Kilometers, kilometers.
Yeah, it's reassuring to see the British book using the miles, so I feel like we're not alone, right?
Yeah, British use miles for some reason.
Yeah,
Doesn't make
I
any
don't know.
sense.
but you'll
But then
learn that.
you'll ask a British person how tall they are, and they'll say in meters.
Mm,
I'm 1.78 meters.
yeah,
Or 178 centimeters. And then you ask
Yeah.
them how heavy they are, they'll use.
I think this is interesting. Maybe I'll put this one up too. I'll change the color though. I'm gonna go to purple. Go to purple. Purple. It's great. So this is just another one that I think students also will find confusing, right? We have like miles versus. I'm even going to spell it the British way. kilometers. And then we also have pounds. This one's confusing for students. Pounds versus kilograms. Do you do 2 M's for kilograms or unit or which?
1 M.
It's just 1 M, right? It's not like program.
No.
Yeah, this one, just fine, right? Or is it AMMES?
Miles.
Because like tons will be TONNES, right?
Or S.
Or TONS, right? Yeah, kilograms, feet.
Meters with an RE.
Oh, meters, metres, no,
Meters.
meters, feet and meters. Yeah, so
We're supposed to be
these-
teaching English. Meters.
yes.
Is correct.
meters is the correct way to say it, right? Yeah, should be okay. Perfect. So,
Do you know how many kilometers are in a mile?
I always, in my head, I'm always thinking like a 5K is about 3 miles. And in class, I looked up 5 miles is 8K. I think around there. But I don't know how to do, the actual calculation. Do you know how to? Yeah.
I think it's like 1.5, roughly. 1 point something. 1.45.
Oh, I thought of one more, but I'm going to have difficulty spelling it. The Celsius Fahrenheit.
Ooh.
We can look it up. But we can look this one up, but in America, we use something called Fahrenheit. It's a little F whenever you go to the weather app. Yeah, we can double check that one, but Fahrenheit, and then Celsius is what you use in Singapore, in your countries. Usually we use Celsius, right? In Celsius, Singapore is like 30 degrees. But in Fahrenheit, Singapore is 89, 90, right? It's a very different measurement system. How did you do?
I was correct.
You were right? Woo! I would have butchered this.
Fahrenheit.
I would have had trouble
Oh.
with these words. Because
Yeah,
just
they make
look at all those letters. I don't know.
Now, why did your student ask you a math question? What did they ask you?
They were asking. Well, we were talking about how much a house costs, and she learned for some reason she knew like the price per meter squared, per square meter. Because I guess where she's from, that's how they price. They compare prices, right?
Well, Singapore as well.
Yeah, Singapore too, right? If you have a house, and if we're measuring the house, if we're good, we're 2 by 2. Yeah,
So how many square meters is this?
yeah. Oh, I'm really bad. What is it? Is it 8? 8 square meters? No.
No.
Is it just 2 square meters? I'm really bad. 2 square meters. Or 4? Oh, see this? I'm learning something today too. I have no idea.
Is that correct?
I have no idea. June, can you help us? Right? Or no, maybe June's gone. I think it's only you watching.
No, I'm off.
Oh, you're off?
June's
Maybe
off.
June. Yeah. June, can you do math? Do you know if we have every side 2 meters by 2 meters?
Yeah, of course it's 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 4.
Is it 4?
So like this classroom is 3 meters by 4 meters. It's 12 square meters.
12 square meters.
Or 12 meters
Okay.
squared.
Maybe I shouldn't have bought my house. Yeah.
You bought a house.
I bought a house, but
How
now
many-
I'm worried. I'm like, how many square meters? I actually don't know.
But in Singapore, for some reason, they use square feet. I don't know why.
Few square feet. Oh, correct. Oh, thank you. So June, yes, good. So Matt was right.
I'm the math guy.
That's right. I'm a lost cause. I'm a lost cause.
June, by the way.
It's okay.
Oh, he's gone.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's gone. It's okay.
So,
Oh, maybe he's back. June, are you back? Yeah.
how many square feet is your house?
How many square feet?
Hmm.
Square feet. So is it 3 feet in a meter?
Do you know your house in square meters or square feet?
I have no idea either way.
You don't know how big your new house is the house that you
I
purchased.
have no idea. I know how many rooms.
It's an HDB.
The HDB. Yeah. It's a
HDB.
4-room HDB. So I don't know how that translates to actual footage.
Did you pay for this house?
Square footage. Yes.
Okay.
Or technically the bank paid, and now we have to pay the bank until we die.
Okay, right. Yes. You got a loan.
Yeah, got a loan.
Or a mortgage.
A mortgage.
Right.
Yes, got a mortgage.
But you don't know how big your house was. So you didn't go through market value.
Well, we did market value, so we compared it to other because HDBs are all the same size of that's right for that building. So
Oh,
we
okay.
compared the same four room with other 4 rooms in the building to see the value of that area.
Right, but you don't
Yeah.
know how big it is. You have no
But
idea.
off the top of my head, I only know how many rooms, and from remembering what it looks like, I don't know the actual square meter. How many meters squared?
Zara, if you're watching this, you
Mm.
should be worried.
Yes, I will check that after this video, so I don't look too stupid
Yes.
whenever I'm explaining my house to other people.
For the record, this school
Hmm.
is 1,022 square feet.
Ooh. So you did the square feet.
Singapore usually does square feet
Oh,
for houses.
that's interesting.
I
Okay.
don't know why.
So June, if you buy a house, square feet.
June, you're there.
We're thinking it's June. It might be another person, but yeah.
Random person watching, if it's not June.
Hmm.
Do you have any questions?
Hmm.
I'm going to wait 10 seconds for a question. And if there's no questions, we're going to go say goodbye.
Yeah, I think that's
and
about it.
I'm going to go call Mark's wife and ask her why he
Like,
doesn't
why
know how
doesn't
big
he know how big the house is?
the house he's buying.
Yeah.
Feels like something you should know.
Yeah, it's probably, should probably be on my list. But yeah, I think that might be it for today.
That's it.
You can review these math words. On the bottom, we have our special British versus rest of the world, or American versus, or maybe America versus the rest of the world,
the world.
measurement systems.
Kind of like
So-
real life.
Yeah, and I know, right? We might have 1 or 2 Americans who watch this. Do you know how to change to these? If you do, please tell me. I don't know how to change to these. But
Yeah, Mark's mom watches these
yeah.
from forward to end, right?
Yeah, my mom will
What's your
probably
mom's
watch
name?
this. Joan.
Joan.
Yeah.
We need to.
Joan and Fred, you guys remember this math, or remember this, or
I'm
these
gonna
words.
I'm going to meet them soon.
Yeah, you will.
In
They're going to come in
December.
December. In December, they will come and see the square footage of my new apartment.
And potentially the square
Yeah.
footage of this school,
Yeah,
which would be
yeah. I think they can come visit. They can see United Language Center.
it's a pretty good view.
Yeah, it is. I think out of language centers, maybe the best view in the whole country.
I would say the best. It's probably the best view in Singapore for a language school.
Language school, right?
Yes.
So-
Probably.
And on that note, right, we'll see you guys
Adios.
next time. Have a wonderful week. We'll be back. Or no, I mean, we might be back next week, depending on.
Mark might be back
Yeah,
next
I
week.
might be back next week, but as always, if you want to comment after you watch, that's great. Let us know if you have anything else you're curious about, or
Yes.
any other topic you'd like to learn about, right?
And June,
So-
thank you for watching most of this. I appreciate
Yeah.
it. And new person who just chimed in,
Yes.
we like you too.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, and
see you next week. I'll probably see you next week. I have a group of students coming from Japan, so we might do a little live video from around Singapore.
oh, very
if
cool.
I have time.
Nice. So, very good.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Adios.
Right there.
Right there. Found it.
Okay. And